Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a mini rainbow sprinkle cake out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have equal medium-sized balls in bright rainbow colours. So starting with pink, then orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. And first I'm taking the pink ball and rolling that out between a couple of popsicle sticks. I then have a large round cookie cutter here. And I'm cutting out a piece. And then peeling away the excess and removing it off my work surface. Then I'm repeating the same steps in all the remaining colours. So I have 6 large coloured circles. I then have a really large ball of white clay, and I'm also going ahead and rolling that up between the same 2 popsicle sticks. And then just cutting it out with the cookie cutter. So I have 6 large white circles. So now it's time to stack them up, and I'm going to do this in backwards rainbow order. If you're not sure of the rainbow order, here's a little chart that I made. So just remember Roy G. Biv. So I'm starting with the white circle first, and then purple, then placing another white circle on top, and then repeating with all the colours in between the white circles until the pink is on top. Now that that's all stacked, I'm taking my long blade and marking a wide letter X on the top of the pink layer. And the reason why I'm doing it this way instead of this way is because I want the slice to be slightly wider as well as the rest of the cake, rather than 4 equal size slices. But if you wanted to cut equal size individual ones, it's totally up to you. I'm then doing the scary part and cutting the slice. So I'm just doing it really slowly and carefully. I actually get scared about doing this to real cakes as well. Now I'm just pulling the 2 pieces apart to reveal the insides. It does look a bit messy with a lot of gaps in between, but that's okay because I'm taking the slice and gently texturing the coloured layers. So just poking and swirling them until they look fluffy, and just doing that with my needle tool. And I've gone ahead and done that on both sides and on the inside of the larger cake. So now it's time to add the face. So I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And adding in 2 little balls of black. And a little tiny smile. Then for the cheeks, I'm brushing on some pink chalk pastel. And next up, to make sure that I don't squish anything, I'm going ahead and fully baking both the slice and the cake so that they harden. In the meantime, I've gone ahead and mixed together some white liquid clay and white clay until it becomes a thick frosting or icing consistency. And I've also rolled some tiny balls of the same rainbow colours that I used for the layers, and these will be the sprinkles. Then once the cake has cooled down completely, I'm spreading some frosting all over the top of the baked slice. And placing one of each coloured sprinkle on top. I'm then repeating the same steps for the larger cake. And I'm baking them for the second time. Then once they've cooled down completely, I'm spreading more of the frosting over the outsides of the slice and cake. And adding on the sprinkles. And then finally, just baking them for the third and final time. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!